Namaste, Czech lesson with Thomas. Hello. Today we'll see how to order food, right? Can I order please? Mohu si objednat? Can I order please? Mohu si objednat? Mohu si objednat? We'll see how to say how much is this. Kolik to stojí? How much is this? Koti paisa? Kolik to stojí? Kolik to stojí? We'll see how to say where's the toilet. Kde je toaleta? Where's the toilet? And there is an alternative. Where's the toilet? Kde je záchod? Again, where's the toilet? Kde je záchod? How to say what to do now? Co mám dělat? What to do? Co mám dělat? Okay, thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.